What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. I got something pretty sweet in the mail today, and I'm not just talking about this hat. I got a gimbal. This is a Zhiyun Crane V2, and I'm gonna load my camera up on here and shoot some B-roll of my M6. I haven't had a gimbal up until this point. I've only used friends' drones, and otherwise I just handhold my Sony A6000 just with the kit lens. So what I'm gonna do is show you right now some B-roll that I shot with my car last week, and then we'll compare it to the new sequence I edited out using the gimbal. So here's the pre-gimbal footage. Watch that right now. Okay, so it's not too bad, you can get away with it, but here's gonna be the footage that I just shot of the M6. I just washed it, so there might be some water and stuff. I'm also not a pro at this thing. I literally just got it, so I'm setting it up for pretty much the first time, and I'm just gonna see what I can do with it. So here's the new footage. So hopefully that edit was a lot smoother, as it should be. It is filmed off of this gimbal. It's balanced a little bit off, but I think for the first go actually filming with it, it's not too bad. It also has a little selfie mode, so right now I have it on that, and then I can click this button, and now we're back over to here. Yeah, whoop, look at that, sick. The only thing that was doing a little weird, I do have to look it up, is I would go to put the camera like lower and then it would twitch out a whole bunch. Maybe that's just the balancing, or maybe I have to update it. This was like a refurbished one off Amazon, so that could be something. But otherwise, I think this thing is gonna help a lot with filming. Definitely gonna make it a lot smoother, and you guys will be a lot happier not having like choppiness all the time. It's never really that bad, but sometimes kinda is. So what do you guys think? Drop a comment below on the second edit with the gimbal. I feel like I'm kind of leaning right now with this thing because it's kind of like weird. But yeah, so drop a comment what you thought about it, how much you think it was better, do you think it's necessary, that kind of stuff. I have some parts coming for the M6 pretty soon here, so hopefully I can use this gimbal to film a bunch of that. And yeah, more stuff happening all the time. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. I love all of you. Each and every one of you. I love all of you. So hit that subscribe button. Throw a thumbs up if you liked the footage and the M6. I mean, it's a beautiful car. You just gotta love it. And I'll see you guys next time.